on ILP because there is a infiltration from the people from outside. So we have to think why those people want to come to our state when we don't have anything. If we don't have any opportunity, why those people want to come? Why they want to leave their parents, their family behind and come here when we don't have anything? But that is not the fact. We have plenty of opportunity here in our state. That's why those people are coming to our state. The opportunity or that job where we, the people of our state, don't want to work, don't want to do. That's why those people are coming. So if you want that those people will not come here, you have to take that job. You have to work in that field. So that's why I want to request you to please think out of the box. Think out of the box. And while you start, before starting something, please do some survey, like I have said. Please do some survey. And when you start something, just don't follow. I mean, whatever is happening in the market, that also I should do. Because what our people are behind is about profit. Wherever the maximum profit is there, we used to go there. We used to start that kind of business. We don't realize that already many competitors are already there.